How you doing today, class? This project is on parenthetical definitions and sentence definitions. Parenthetical definitions is what I'm going to do first. Parenthetical definitions is words that quickly explain a term and are included within the same sentence as the word being defined. Parenthetical definitions are always in parentheses and they contain either a synonym or a short phrase. This type of definition is used to explain words that need clarification, but these words are not the main focus of the document. For instance, if I wrote, our company should invest in creating sinistral, in parentheses, left-handed, parentheses, office supplies to meet the growing market demand. The term sinistral is what's being defined, and it does not need a lengthy explanation for readers to understand the concept of the sentence. Instead, a simple synonym placed immediately after the word sufficiently explains the term. These are my examples for parenthetical definitions. The first sentence is what I just said. Our company should invest in creating sinistral, in parentheses, left-handed, parentheses, office supplies to meet growing market demand. The second one is my new laptop was infected by a Trojan horse, parentheses, a malicious computer program that appears to be kind, parentheses. As the dog came around the corner, it broke into a dart, parentheses, sprint, period. The two incorrect ones are my professor, who always criticizes me for being late, missed our scheduled review session. It should be my professor, comma, who always criticizes me for being late, comma, missed our scheduled review session. The second one is by the time the cure arrived 14 days late, comma, the men had already died. It should be by the time the cure arrived, dash, 14 days late, dash, the men had already died. Alright. There are times when a few words aren't enough to explain a technical term. In sentence definitions, the definition provided needs to be more extensive. Sentence definitions can provide the additional information needed to increase comprehension. Sentence definitions are an explanation of a word used in one sentence. These are more formal explanations than parenthetical definitions. They follow a similar form, which include the word being defined, the class to which the word belongs, and the features that distinguish the term from other words. These examples I have are, the first one is, the heart is an organ that pumps blood through the body. Heart is the word that's being defined. Organ is the class of the word, which the word belongs to, and pumps is the distinguishing feature. I have other examples like a pig is an animal that rolls in mud. Pig is the word that's being defined. Animal is the class which the word belongs to, and rolls in mud is the distinguishing feature. I have two more of the regular correct ones, and the two incorrect ones are a brazier is what's used to burn coal. That's incorrect. The way to correct it is a brazier is a metal receptacle used to burn coal. And the second one that's incorrect is a spreader knife is what's used to spread butter on food. And the way to correct it is a spreader knife is a knife used to spread butter. That's the way I found out how to distinguish parenthetical definitions from sentence definitions. Thank you.